What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So maraming nagko-comment sa mga videos ko on my Facebook Reels and sa TikTok na i-react ko daw po itong Die With A Smile cover by Julian San Jose. So I believe siya yung tutugtog nito, lahat ng instruments, no? And this is a song from Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. Kasi ang kulit kasi ng ibang nagko-comment, no, kahit hindi related sa music, yung iba nagko-comment doon na please react to Julian's Die With A Smile. So today I decided na ito yung unang video na i-react ko. So ganun ako. So kung sino yung maraming request, yun yung unahin ko, syempre, no. So let's begin with this one. Hope you will like my reaction, and if you're new here, do subscribe. Consider subscribing and follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Ang galing, man. Nice. Okay, so pause muna tayo. Earlier, no, nung pag-umpisa niya, sasabihin ko sana ang ganda ng gitara. Ang ganda ng gitara niya. I love the size kasi fit sa kanya, no? Comfortable siya tingnan. And sasabihin ko sana, pwedeng ganito si Julian, no? May mga siguro few solos niya na ganito yung theme, nagigitara kasi ang galing niya, and ano siya, bagay sa kanya. Okay, ganito yung parang presentation niya, yung theme niya. And sasabihin ko sana, ang galing yung gitara. Tapos pumasok siya sa drums. Alam niyo ba yung beat na ginawa niya? Hindi yan like very simple sa mga beginners pa lang, ha. Kasi medyo may ano doon, syncopation doon sa bass drum tsaka sa snare. Okay, alam niyo naman na if ever na naka-follow kayo sa akin matagal na, and matagal niyo din akong fina-follow sa Facebook, alam niyo na drummer ako, no? Drummer and singer, no? I do play guitars sa ibang videos ko dati sa reaction. Before ako mag-react, kumakanta ako, nagigitara ako ng slight. But yeah, I'm more of a drums kasi bago ako kumanta, drummer talaga ako. So I am very impressed sa kanyang drum skills, no? Alam naman natin, she's not really like the drummer, but she has the skill, the talent talaga sa music na she can easily adapt and learn musical instruments, no? Ang galing. And I am also more impressed sa editing nito, no, na you know, the drummer, the pianist, and the singer, guitarist, no, nakikita natin dito, it's all Julian. So ayan na, hindi talaga natin ma-deny that she's that talented, no? Good job. So sige, balik tayo sa video. Wait lang. Ang ganda din ng pagka-edit kasi I was expecting na, 'di ba, front or lead singer yung nasa nagigitara na Julian. I love the fact na parang yung vocals naman ay doon naman sa pianist. Very creative, very realistic, no? And also I did not expect that na ganun yung gagawin sa creativity niya. Okay, that's wonderful. What? What? Nag-harmonize pa. Nice. Very impressive. Legit. Ito yung legit talaga na talented. Okay. I'm very impressed sa kanyang yung talent niya, okay, sa pagiging talented niya sa musical instruments, na marami siyang musical instruments na nape-play. Okay. Now, alam niyo ba gaano kahirap mag-drums? Okay? So, for most people in general, no, if papipiliin kayo gitara, drums, or piano, or they will always say na pinakamahirap yung drums. It's because ang gagamitin mo ay yung apat na limbs mo. Yung dalawang kamay mo, tapos dalawang paa, no? And I love the fact na Julian was really on the pocket, no? Nasa tempo siya. And the best one is yung dynamics niya pagdating sa pagpalo. No? I know that this is an electric e-drum to, no? But ganito yung ginagamit ko sa practice namin sa banda. It's Roland. I forgot the model name, no? Pero nasa studio yan ng boss ko. So ito yung practice drums namin every time we do rehearsals. And talagang yung sensitivity nito is like the acoustic, or like the usual drum set, no, yung acoustic drums. And yung dynamics ni Julian, I love it kasi may ginagawa pa siyang medyo mga ghost notes ng pakonti-konti, and the way siya yung lick ng konting rolling doon, no, on point siya. And yung palo niya, yung heaviness ng palo niya and softness, talagang maririnig mo. So, there is that knowledge about dynamics in terms of drums. Hindi lang yung papalo ka lang, magpe-play ka lang, but the fact that she knows the dynamics, how to play it. Okay? Not just by just doing it for fun, doing it for the cover itself, but andun yung passion, and she really understands dynamics. Okay? And that's very impressive kasi hindi lahat ng mga hindi naman siya first timer, but hindi lahat ng mga non-drummers talaga na may ganoong feeling o may ganoong pananaw sa drums. So I am very impressed with her drum skills. And the harmonization, that's very dope, no? But very dope talaga. No, I did not see that coming. And the creativity, everything is perfect. By far, I think this is maybe one of my favorite Julian San Jose covers, no, na napanood ko, or arguably maybe the best one yet, na para sa akin, alam ko marami naman siyang covers before, but I think this one's the best, arguably. It's because of the creativity, the talent that na showcase niya, and also the presentation, no? And yung pagkanta niya is very relaxed lang, no? Hindi pilit. She has the vibe, the Julian vibe, no? Pinakita niya, and she presented it very well, no? So yeah, 2 thumbs up by far, and arguably the best cover na ginawa niya overall. Okay, so like if you agree, comment if you agree, and if hindi naman kayo agree, then you can also comment why, and we can always share our opinions. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.